Alright, hey everyone, this is a quick video explaining the basic code of what this new database does. So basically up here you're going to notice a brand new require command. This is going to allow us to connect to MySQL. And then you're going to see I still keep it the basic express connects and all this other stuff. Let's see. This is something new. So DB stands for database. If you want to refactor later and call this database instead, I'm totally cool with that. And basically you're using this MySQL object that you create, variable you created earlier, and you're using it to create a connection with the database. So when you watch a video of creating a database, you'll know what this means. Basically this means you're doing this on your computer. Root, you can type in any user you want, but I use the root user. This is the name of our database we're going to make. And this is the password for it. It's a little silly, but I had fun with it. And after you've created a connection with your database, you're then going to connect it. This is going to basically establish a connection. If something goes wrong, it'll throw an error, but if it doesn't and it works, you'll just see it work. Alright. So I'm going to skip this create URL function for now because it's a little complex. And I don't want to scare anyone yet. So we're going to skip past all this fun stuff that I'll explain in their video. And instead, we're going to go straight to here. So this is an app.get function. You've seen this before. So basically, all this is the same as before. And I provided a little explanation here. But basically, the basic structure of all these commands is we're going to first make a string. So you're going to make a SQL string. And all it's going to do is it's going to say select from, and this is the name of our table, and apparently that's why I named it. And I'm saying where year and match. So this is, remember, this is a year. This is part of our request. So I'm saying where year is equal to the request parameter we put in. I want you to return that, and this means return everything. So I'm saying return everything in each row that from our table where the year parameter matches that. So once I have that string, I then pass it into my query. So I do database.query, and I say, here's the string I'm passing in, and we're going to do stuff with this error and result. So if you remember, the arrow function just means we're creating a body for this function. So we're going here, and we're saying, if there's an error, throw an error. Otherwise, I want you to console log the result, and then to the API that called this, I want you to, this number rest is short for respond, I want you to send the result. Now result, this is what the query is going to generate. So result means that something good happened. It means the query went through successfully, and we have this result that holds our data at the moment. So we're going to send that to our database. So if we want to test this out, you'll notice I'm running bash this time. It doesn't affect anything. I just was messing around with things. So you're going to do a node app, and you'll see this pop up. Just ignore it for now. And you're going to go to Postman, and we're going to, remember, copy paste this usual URL. Go to Postman. It looks like I have it up. I'm going to enter a new date, and I'm going to send a GET request. And you see I got a response, so that's good. It means it's working. And this actually got it from the database, which is really cool. And you'll see this new information that I added in the database, and it's pretty dang cool. Let's see. So that's the general gist of what these commands do, and you'll see I do them for all of them. Now this is a singleton request for the same type of thing. This is a collection request. You notice how there's no limit on. My cat just knocked over a chair. Just please ignore that. Let me check how much time I have. I got enough. Okay. So, sorry. I'm a little distracted by the cat looking at the chair that she just knocked over. So, in this one, you'll notice that if we go scroll to our SQL command, there's a little thing that says limit 01. And basically what this means is this one right here basically means I want you to only take one row from what you grab. And the 0 just means offset from the beginning. So from the very beginning of the table and what you find, I want you to grab the first result. So that's what it means. You'll just notice that that was an experiment. I'm not sure why that's here. Basically, we're going to send the results over to the JSON, and that's good. So I wonder if it'll let me do this. Let's give it a shot. If this fails, you know, there's still some kinks I gotta work out. And let's say we do 1927 day. Send this, and we pray that it works. Ooh, okay. So I did modify that function, but it did work originally. And maybe because I messed up on other things. So let me check where I accidentally included a space. I didn't. Rest.send result. Okay, let me try something. Control C. Node app. Let's run this. Send. This should work this time. Okay, yeah. I do have a theory. I have a theory for something that's broken in our code. Oh, no. Weird. Okay. So I can do multiple queries, but if I attempt to do it with a different URL, different endpoints, I am investigating something in this video. I do apologize for making you guys wait. It's not going to work because we're saying multiple queries to the database has to reestablish a connection. Okay, I just realized something I have to fix in this code. Oh, never mind. Apparently not. Wait a second, is there this many objects? Oh, that's right, all the ones that have year 27. Yes, okay, so yeah, it's working. Never mind. Experiment concluded, it works just fine. I am not sure what happened in the last one. I probably made a typo, honestly. Okay, and when you want to kill it, you know, Control C inside the terminal, and you get this back. And yeah, so with a singleton, you put the limit 0, 1 at the end. And if you're doing a collection, you don't put that, and it'll return a bunch of them. So, yeah. It's pretty nifty.